I just take care of my son and not me. Okay, bye now. Bak, no, disturb. Unya na ba? Unya na. Because unya na kaya I use for the lights. I hit. Ano yung iPad? Ano mo diba? Ano ya? Araw?
Good. Wala mo akong bagod.
Ihatag nato itong bag na dako. Ihatag na nato to sa laing lady. Atong tahion, ihatag, dili. Mga tag nato to sa mga baby. Mga anak pa mo dahil kuno ko, giyatay ni mata. You know guys, we content how many video, we have many views, but I don't have companion doing with that. Hello, 35 viewers. Thank you for watching me, guys. Can you see your hand watch? Yeah, it was burned by an oil when I make fried. It was burned here. Last time, 2 days ahead, it was burned. This burning all here, burning, and on my face here, it was burned because I'm cooking. Then when I turn the meat, explode the oil on my face and on my hand. That's what happened on my hand watch. Oh, it was burned. It's so hurt when I touch it. Are you going now? Yes, when the rain stops, we will going outside. Yes, thank you. Next time I do not cook anymore that kind of food because it's so very dangerous. Thank you for the concern, Tessie Hassan. Okay, did you notice my hand? Oh, look at so many and there in my face. Here, babe. Thank God that my eyes don't get that. Here, over here. Oh, that's what it's so aching. Hello, may ulan ma? Magtupa tayo school. Mag-practice man ta. Noon. Nag-practice mo gapon? I feel so sad to see. Yeah, it's so hurt. It makes off. I don't get to scratch this because my skin is damaged. This is for you. Thank you for Jenna Robles.
Hoy! Ito kayong kamot.
Silent for now. I'm tired of talking for 1 hour, guys. Almost 1 hour. 49 minutes. You guys think you don't... I think you don't care. No, I care. But it's accidentally dropped on my skin. That's it, oh. This one. Not on here because I'm going to like that cover my face. That's why this drop. And my clothes is big. Then the oil goes here. And someday here I have also here small one here. In this portion we have also here burn.